In this short video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Wix. Now, as you can see on my website right here, the text I want to highlight will be this paragraph right here, and I want my highlight over the text to be white. So let me head over to my editor and show you how to do that. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to the text, and I want you to click on it to highlight it. And once you've done that, a bunch of different options are going to appear either below or above the text. In my case, it's above. So the option I want you to click on is this edit text button right here. Once you've done that, I want you to press on this highlight button right here, which is right next to the color. Press on that, and from here you can choose the highlight. In my case, like I said, I want it to be in white. So press your color or choose it. And if your color is not here, what you can do is simply click on edit or click on add right here to find your color. And once you're happy with the changes, simply press X and X to save. Let's preview the website and see if the changes have taken place. And yeah, as you can see, my text is now highlighted. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to highlight text in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.